America answers the call. Here at the Navy Yard, the industrial heart of the nation beats with a thunderous rhythm. Thousands of workers have toiled day and night for this very moment. But behold the titan of the seas, the USS Missouri, the mighty Mo herself, a 45,000-ton fortress of steel, rising like a mountain above the workers. Armed with massive 16-inch guns, she stands ready to rule the waves and crush tyranny. The shoring is removed, the grease is laid, and there she goes. The crowd roars as the flagship hits the water. But she is not alone. Look out on the water. The USS Houston is already afloat. The ghost of the Java coast returns to the fight. Two guardians of freedom side by side. Good hunting, gentlemen.